Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial we're going to be seeing how you can easily clear your Binance app cache, and when you do this it will help you for easy navigation, so you don't get to face issues when it comes to opening your trading side of the app. Sometimes when you want to click on the trading side, they will tell you that you can't access this. Meanwhile, the problem is the cache. So when you go to your profile, check at the top left side of your phone, upper top left side. When you click on it, you go straight to settings, then scroll down. You are going to see clear cache. Then when you click on clear cache, you say, are you sure you want to clear the cache of your website? You click of your app, you click yes, and it will be cleared to 0. If there was any prior issue you were having, it's definitely going to solve it just like that. It's very simple.